Hey guys, I'm Michelle from Virtual Hand Care, and in this video, I'm going to show you how to tape to help increase your wrist extension. So if you've had a wrist injury, maybe a wrist fracture, and you're just having a difficult time trying to get that wrist extension going, or maybe it's kind of painful, you can try this taping technique. So let's get started. For this video, you'll need scissors and tape, and I'll put a link below of the tape I'm using. Now, first, always make sure that you wash your arm, wash your hand, and don't apply any kind of lotions or oils before you apply the tape. It will help it stay on longer. Okay, now what you want to do is you want to measure. So place your arm down and take that roll of tape, and you're going to place that roll of tape on top of the forearm, a couple inches away from the elbow. And then you're gonna unroll that tape down to about to where you get to your knuckles, maybe just a little bit lower than that. You're gonna have some stretch to this tape, so you don't have to be exact. And then the next step is you're gonna go ahead and cut that piece of tape. So if you have some blocks on the back of your tape, this might be like 5 blocks. It depends on the size of your arm. And then what you want to do is cut and round those edges. This will just help it stay on longer. Now each of these blocks is about 2 inches. So what you want to do is tear about 2 inches of that paper backing here. And then you want to go ahead and just peel that backing off. This is your anchor piece. And then what you want to do is relax that arm down, and you want to apply that anchor piece just a few inches away from your elbow, kind of on the top of your forearm. And you want to rub that in as much as you can and get that glue activated so that tape will stick. Good. Okay, and so then what I also like to do sometimes is just kind of pull that tape a little bit. Just kind of give it a little pull. That will help the rest of that tape come off a little bit easier for you, especially if you're doing this by yourself. So give that just a little pull, and there you've already got it nice and started to where you'll be able to pull that off easy. Okay, so then what you want to do is you're going to place your wrist in as much extension as you possibly can. Now, obviously, you're watching this video because you don't have a good amount of wrist extension. If you feel like you can't get much wrist extension actively, what you can do is roll up a towel or a pillow and maybe rest your fingers, rest your wrist up on that to try to get yourself in as much extension as possible. So that's really the key with this taping technique, is to get in as much active wrist extension, or at least some passive wrist extension, before you apply the tape. Okay, so then what you want to do is we're going to pull the rest of this tape off, but don't take the tape all the way off. Leave about 2 inches at the top here. And then you're going to go ahead and pull up towards your wrist and apply about a 50% stretch of that tape until you get to the top of your hand. And then when you have about 2 inches left of that tape, remove the rest of that backing off. Don't apply any stretch at the top 2 inches. So go ahead and rub that anchor piece at the top of your hand now, just like you did at the bottom here. So make sure your anchor piece is nice and sticky down here, and the anchor piece is nice and sticky up here on the back of your wrist. Okay, and then what you want to do is you're going to go ahead and go into as much wrist flexion as you possibly can. If you don't have that much wrist flexion, go ahead and apply a little bit of a stretch of that wrist into wrist flexion, and then keep it there, and then you want to rub that tape in. So you should feel like you have a little bit of a springiness, feeling like you have a little assistance or a little help going into wrist extension. Again, remember, our starting piece was here, and then we stretched down. So that's going to make this tape give us a nice subtle pull proximally, or more towards that elbow. And so then what you would do is you would want to wear this tape for your exercises. You would want to wear it for your daily activities. You would want to wear it for a couple of days or however long it stays on for, as long as you're not having any skin reactions or any increased pain from the tape. Now, since you're taped, go ahead and do some of your exercises to see if you feel like that helps. See if you feel like you get a little more wrist extension, range of motion with the tape. Now, if you're looking for some wrist extension exercises to do, go check out my videos here. And if you found this video helpful, do please give it a like and don't forget to hit that subscribe button below. And let me know in the comments below how this taping technique felt for you. Until next time, thanks for watching.